Good morning, Miss Nikki and my fellow friends. So today we're going to present to you about development studies. So we are from group 14. My name is Muhammad Rael Kalimaya, and here is Freya Aziza and Anglia Agustina Perita Tampu Bolon. So first, I'm going to start explaining to you about introduction to development studies. So development studies is an interdisciplinary branch of social science. Development studies focus more on human resource management and society, which combine the scientific approach such as social, humanities, and technology. So development studies is about understanding the current political landscape by examining their origins in order to make better plans for the future. Then in the second and third year, students go on to explore issues such as immigration, global warming, the cause of poverty, and international relations. Some students combine their study with modules from other related subjects, including history and anthropology, giving them a wider understanding of the challenge many countries face. Most courses also offer the opportunity to take part to experience working in developing nations on facing the current social issue. So why development studies is important? According to the UN definition, 783 million people live below the international poverty line of $1.9 a day, which is very low. Moreover, climate change and rise of automation, greater income disparity, mass migration, and geopolitical instability are set to change the lives of world citizens within the next decades. Simply by meeting the basic needs of all these people will be a monumental challenge, but it is one in which development studies will play a leading role. So the next slide will be explained by Freya.
The story of development studies, development in the increasingly complex era of the Industrial Revolution 4.0 requires better and comprehensive preparation and planning. Technological sophistication and the availability of natural resources alone do not guarantee the success of development. This requires human capital as humanware, and supported by a conducive social ecosystem. Social capital is prepared through the provision of trained and educated human resource. ITS as technology and science-based tertiary institution naturally provides space for the development of social engineering with a multidisciplinary approach through the Bachelor of Development Studies program. This program development is expected to produce intellectual output more comprehensive and optimal in answering the nation problem. The ITS Development Studies undergraduate program is present as a form of elaboration and orientation on how development must be managed in order to produce the welfare that is needed by many people. The ITS Undergraduate Development Studies program is expected to be a driving force, creativity, and innovation that places science and technology in accordance with the interests of humanity and meets the needs for sustainable development. The Development Studies program, which was established on January 18, 2019, is designed to equip students with the complexities of this development, the challenge of development and society in the future are no longer partial but a world community globally. The purpose of development studies. The students can understand and apply the theories of development and analyze development issues in the community. Developing entrepreneurship, developing maritime-oriented development paradigm, create a development platform with attention to and be closer to the community.
Thank you, Freya. So the next slide will be explained by Angel.
The purpose of development studies. The student can understand and apply the theories of development and analyze development issues in the community. Developing entrepreneurship. Developing maritime-oriented development paradigm. Create a development platform with attention to and be closer to the community. The job prospect of development studies. Development practitioners, advocacy program managers, international social works, research assistants, surveyor, analysis and development managers, entrepreneur, social enterprise manager, practitioner, sociopreneurship. Development Target 2020. The government implement the 2020 National Development, which aims to achieve inclusive and quality economic growth. These targets include increasing welfare, reducing poverty and unemployment, reducing income inequality, and maintaining economic stability. Target 2020. The unemployment rate obtained from net per August showed that the highest unemployment rate is at the vocational high school level at 10.42% and senior high school at 7.92%. The highest poverty rate was 2019 at 2.70% at it research in 2017 at 10.12%. The Gini ratio index shows the number 0, which means that in 2016 until 2020, income inequality is perfectly even, which means that everyone receives the same income at the others.
That's all from our group. Thank you for listening, and thank you.